Welcome back to my channel. Automoto Expert. 2025 Honda CB190R is a bold evolution of Honda's popular street naked motorcycle, designed for riders who want a perfect balance of urban agility, head-turning style, and everyday reliability. With sharp, angular bodywork, a sculpted 12-liter fuel tank, and aggressive new graphics, the CB190R looks every bit the modern street fighter. The updated LED headlight and taillight not only improve visibility but also enhance the bike's futuristic aesthetic. At the heart of the CB190R is a refined 184.4cc single-cylinder, air-cooled, fuel-injected engine, delivering smooth power delivery and impressive throttle response. It's designed for efficiency and quick acceleration, making it ideal for both city traffic and spirited weekend rides. The engine is mated to a 5-speed transmission with crisp gear changes, offering strong low-end torque and comfortable cruising at higher speeds. Honda equips the CB190R with premium features usually found on larger bikes. The front sports 41mm inverted forks, enhancing stability and cornering feel, while the rear monoshock ensures comfort over rough roads. The lightweight diamond-type frame contributes to its nimble handling and easy maneuverability. Stopping power is handled by pedal disc brakes on both ends, and the inclusion of single-channel ABS adds an extra layer of safety under hard braking or slippery conditions. Riders are greeted by a sleek, full digital LCD instrument panel that displays speed, RPM, gear indicator, fuel level, and more with high visibility in all lighting conditions. Ergonomics are well thought out, with a comfortable upright seating position, wide handlebars for better control, and footpeg placement that strikes a balance between sportiness and comfort. Whether you're a beginner looking for a confidence-inspiring ride or an experienced rider seeking a reliable commuter with flair, the 2025 CB190R delivers with its Honda-grade build quality, sharp aesthetics, and practical performance. It's a motorcycle that feels premium, rides smooth, and looks like it belongs in a much higher category. In the crowded world of entry-level street bikes, the CB190R continues to stand out, not just as a machine, but as a statement. Ride your edge with the Honda CB190R 2025. Want me to include pricing, color options, or a comparison with similar bikes?